Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. Tools I'll be using for the installation is a ratchet, 6-inch extension, 10mm socket, 8mm socket, panel popper, panel remover, and a screwdriver with a T25 torx bit. Now let's get started. After you open your hood, start by removing 12 push pins securing the radiator shroud. Now remove your radiator shroud, untuck the sides from the fender, and slide it back. Next, remove 2 push pins along with 8 10mm bolts securing the valance. Next, carefully remove your valance. Now remove 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, remove 4 8mm bolts securing the liner. Next, peel open the liner. Now remove 1 10mm bolt securing this body panel to the fender. Next, you want to press down on the edge of the bracket guide and unclip the body panel. So this is what you're pressing down on. Next, push the body panel back in, unclipped. In order for you to unclip these 2 tabs, next remove these 3 10mm bolts securing the grille and the bottom of the headlight. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Now you can unseat your grille, lift up on the tabs on the side. Next, remove 1 10mm bolt and 1 push pin securing the top bracket of the headlight. After that, remove 1 10mm bolt securing the side of the headlight. Be sure to hold on to your headlight. Now carefully unseat it. Go ahead and unplug your side marker. Next, unplug your main headlight harness. Before installing our headlight, we need to transfer over this bracket to the Spyder headlight. So remove 3 T25 screws on the bottom. And 2 more on the sides. Just 1 here and one here. Go ahead and take off the bracket. Now bring over your Spyder headlight. Bring over the bracket. Now these two guide pins fall into these holes. Now reinstall the 5 T25 screws. Now ready to install our headlight. Bring over your Spyder headlight, turn it to the back, plug in the main harness, make sure it's secure. Plug in your side marker, make sure it's secure, and carefully seat your headlight in place. Reinstall the push pin securing the top bracket. Also reinstall the 10mm bolt on the top and on the side. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Going to reinstall your grille. Reinstall the 6 10mm bolts securing the bottom of the grille. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. Reinstall your valance. Reinstall the 8 10mm bolts and 2 push pins securing the valance. Reinstall the radiator shroud along with 12 plastic push pins. Reinstall your body panel. Reinstall the 10mm bolt securing the body panel to the fender. Next, reinstall your liner. Reinstall the 4 8mm bolts securing the liner. And now do the same to the driver's side. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.